Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the phone ready. Now open recent apps to find the split screen session. Once done, identify the two apps and the thin divider between them so you know where to act. Make sure you use the recent button or the gesture swipe up, whichever your phone uses, because the split screen controls live there. You want to see the small handle or the app icons at the top of each pane so you can take the next step without toggling random settings. Now perform the action that removes split screen. Grab the center divider and drag it completely to the top or bottom edge. This expands one app to full screen. If dragging is tricky, tap the app icon in the divider and select Close, Maximize, or Open Full Screen instead. Once you do that, the system returns to a single app view. If the interface seems frozen, pause and try tapping a clear area, then repeat the drag. Forcing an app close is only for stubborn cases. Finish by pressing home or back to confirm you're out of split screen and interacting with a single app. If the split returns, go to Settings, search Multitasking or Split Screen and turn off the feature or split gestures so it won't reactivate. Once changed, make sure apps behave normally. If the phone is unresponsive, restart it. That clears temporary glitches. As a troubleshooting tip, note which app caused the problem, uninstalling or updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.